Welcome to Hiremath classes, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the 8th class English text. In a 8th class English text, we will see the English workshop of 4.2 P V Sindhu, an icon of success. And I will go to the activity number first. Complete the words by filling in the missing letters. So they have given the so many words, and they have given the some missing letters of the words. So I will tell you the which letters are missing in the words. First, A, enhance. Here N is missing, and feature A is missing, and launch A is missing, and noteworthy E is missing, and mentor E is missing, and identify T is missing. And second, B is there, make as many 3 letter and 4 letter words from the word contemporary. So dear friends, they have given the contemporary word. By the letters of the word, we will make the 3 letter or 4 letter words. I have written some words: cat, team, try, tent, ray, and temporary, and ray, ray also I have written, and TRW tree, and TRAY tray, TEMPR temper. So in this way, you can write as many as words from the given word. And then I will go to the second activity. Make sentences of your own using the following phrases or idioms. So A, they have given here so many phrases, means 6 phrases they have given, and on the basis of the phrases or the idioms we will make the sentences. And to enhance further, to launch, to create history, and push the envelope, and week in and week out, to come out of. So dear friends, I will read in front of the sentences, and it will make clear things to you. First one, to enhance further. Aditya worked hard to enhance further his skills in music. So, and next, Raju wants to launch his project on 28th April. And next, Dhoni created history in Indian cricket. So I have written some sentences in front of you. And next, I will go to the D. Uh, Push the envelope. Raju has been pushing the envelope like no young hockey player had done before in the history. So this is the sentence. And E, it's impossible for any man to be successful week in and week out. And then next, last one is F, to come out of. It's not easy to come out of the natural calamity like earthquake or the flood, etc. Okay, dear friends, I will go to the activity number 3. Which is the activity number 3? Means activity number 3 is prepare a profile or fact file of P V Sindhu using the following points. So dear friends, I will read or tell the answer to you. So full name Pusarala Venkata Sindhu, and date of birth the year 1995. Father P V Ramana and mother P Vijaya, native of Andhra Pradesh. Started badminton at the age of 8. First coach Mehboob Ali, second coach Pulela Gopichand. First major achievement as a junior, the fifth Servo All India Ranking Championship for under the 10 category. First international win, won a bronze medal at the 2009 Sub Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo, and honors received first Arjuna Award 2013, second Padma Shri Award 2015, third Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2016, and greatest win in 2016, won silver medal in the finals in the Rio Olympics. And dear friends, her great strengths means her attitude and the never say die spirit. This is the main character of the P V Sindhu. And then I will go to the activity number 5th. So I will not take the fourth one. because fourth one have the six answer, I will make the separate video of the fourth activity. Answer in short in your own words is there activity number 4. So I will go to the activity number 5. Imagine that PV Sindhu has recently won very important tournament at international level. Frame an email on behalf of your school to congratulate her. Use the proper email format. So I have uh, given a I have means I have given a script to you in this video, and you will see the script, and if you see the script correctly, and you will understand what the subject is there in the activity number 5. So I will tell the first, you should write the farm address and to address and date and subject congratulations on winning badminton tournament. So you start as a salutation, dear Sindhu. Please accept our congratulations on behalf of our school. Uh, means our school means Sri Mahanteshwar Prashala Ibrahimpur. Your recent win in Mumbai badminton final is really commendable. Your exemplary success will always inspire our young players. It is great honor to our nation. Wish you many great achievements in future. So love you, yours lovingly. What you have mentioned in the from address, you should write there. Ravi, Shami, VC, XYZ, etc. etc. So, dear friends, I hope you understood. Means I have solved here 1, 2, 3, and 5. Means 4 activity I have solved in this video, and I hope you will be satisfied. And if you have any doubts, comments, write on our comment box. And if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. Thank you very much.